today's episode 5 of the Ford Transit custom campervan build. So the last video, which will be uploaded later on today, is all about the electrics. So we've put all the electrics in, we've ran all the wires throughout, all the way around. We've got two 240 sockets. Let's have a look, let's show you. So we have power's going to go there, so we've got all our cables coming through there. We've got diesel heater going under the seat there. We've got a USB behind me, and we've got a dimmer switch for the LED lights that we're going to have in the ceiling. We have got 240 socket going there and a 240 socket going at the back here. So yeah, plenty of power there, guys. I must say that was, there you go, that was an absolute ball ache. All good trying to fit that. But today's episode is all about insulation. So we've done the main sorts of insulation, soundproofing. We've just got to get this stuff in all the crevices now. So what this is a recycled plastic loft insulation from B&Q. Works just as well as the Dodo Mat stuff and the more expensive stuff. Just grab some of this, guys, it's a lot cheaper. So what we are going to do, let me grab you. We are going to be filling all these crevices, all up here, in here. Just stick it anywhere we can, guys. Yeah, so we're going to be sticking it in all these crevices, there, all in the door, behind me, wherever we can get it, all up there. So I'm going to stick you down, guys, and show you how we do it. Got my knife, split the packet open, and let's go. So essentially, guys, that is it. I believe it's 100mm wide, 100mm thick, yeah, 100mm thick. You can rip it easy and just shove it in. So all I'm literally going to do is I'm just going to rip bits like this and just shove it in all these crevices as far as I can get it, just to add that little bit more insulation. Just got to watch some of your cables at the back there, but yeah, you'll know. Just nice and easy. Pull. It's nice and dusty as well, guys. So essentially, that is it. That is literally all you have to do, guys. And then your panel will go over that, push that back in place. Get some little bits. And just shove it wherever you can. Get it in there, get it in them crevices. Might take you a little bit of time, guys, but it's worth the effort. It's definitely worth the effort. Simple, get it in there, guys. Depends what kind of hands you got, but you might want to wear gloves because there is some sharp bits on here you don't really want to be cutting yourself on. But yeah, weather today, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. I think we're cracking 22 degrees today, so leave a comment down below. What's the weather like where you are? And hope everyone's feeling good and have an amazing day. Yeah, because I made this channel because I wanted to sort of showcase what we're doing with this build. Not only that, is just generally just to have a chat, really, guys. You know, mental health at the minute is a very big thing. A lot of people suffer from mental health. So basically what I want to do is just give everyone something to watch, some content to watch. You might not like it, but the people that have been watching, thank you very much. You know, so it's all about sort of helping each other out in the ways we can. So if anyone's struggling, don't feel alone, because we're all here to help each other. There you go, guys. Look, essentially that is what we're looking for. Just generally fill that up as best you can, and that'll do nicely. I'll show you here a little bit closer. Just literally get it. So in here are the lights to undo the rear lights. So we might, let's have a look. We should be able to get some in there. Just shove it in there. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit in between there. I'm going to keep that one and that one open. I'll shove a bit in there and try and put a bit at the top there, but apart from that I'll leave that accessible, because just in case I need to get these. So that's the doors, there's the lights, so I can fill this one up, and we'll keep this one. Just shoving it little bits at a time in there, try and get it as high as we can get it. I am literally covered, guys, in bits already. But lucky for me, the wind's blowing it all out the back door. Right, let's take you back here. Straighten you up a bit. squeezed it all in, push it all in. I've left a little bit there because that's where you get your lights out, tucked it in all there, so all that's done. All down there is done. This back panel's done. This top rail's done. Just going to start doing these bits here now. So let's get you set up for that. Hopefully you can see properly. Right, same as before. Feed it in and push it up. Hey guys, so thanks for all the new subscribers and thanks to everyone that's been watching my videos. Yeah, just comment in the comment section down below. Where is everyone from? I'm from the Norfolk area in the UK. Just drop a comment below and let us know where you are, guys, please. That'd be nice to know. We are getting there. That's that one done. This side done. Just got to do that panel, that bit, door, back doors, and we're good. I need another bag of insulation. I bought 4 rolls of these. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use all 4. Probably not. But I can take back what I don't. Right. Shove that all in there. As much as you can get in there. Just watch your hands, guys, because I've cut my hands and everything. I've got baby hands. Whew. Guys, this is hard work. It's bloody hot today. Got all that filled in. Got all that done. Got that side done. Just got to do the side door now, so we'll pull that shut. We'll get that done. I am done. Let me spin you around. We have got that done. We've got that one done. We haven't done the backs yet, like I said, because we were going to wait until we've got the backs on there. But slowly coming along, guys. We are getting there. Yeah, super happy with progress so far. Right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.